Welcome to the Discover Technologies instructional video series on the Discover 508 product. In this first video, I will introduce you to the Discover 508 Usability Mode and some of its primary features. My name is David Best, and I am an accessibility IT specialist working with organizations in creating effective and inclusive communication strategies for productivity gains and market growth. As a blind professional and user of assistive technologies, and an IT specialist for more than 30 years, I understand the productivity challenges confronted by blind professionals in a rapidly changing digital world. You can find me on the internet at davidbest.ca. In this session, I will use the JAWS Screen Reader version 17 and Internet Explorer 11. Discover 508 is a SharePoint enterprise collaboration solution that serves as a digital bridge between the SharePoint work environment and the user's assistive technology. The accessibility user experience with SharePoint out of the box tends to be challenging for most visually impaired users, but the Discover 508 Usability Mode restructures the page layout for an improved user experience and immediate productivity gains. Discover 508 allows you to easily go in and out of the usability mode. Once activated, it becomes part of your user profile. So each time you sign into the SharePoint work environment, it will automatically be loaded and does not affect any other user. Let's see how to activate the Discover 508 Usability Mode and what impact it has on keyboard navigation for screen reader users. From the top of the web page, I tab down to the Usability Mode switch.
Tab, turn on more accessible mode link.
And we find it right at the top of the page. I press enter.
Enter, turn off more accessible mode link.
I now go into my work area.
Link Discover Access Mode. Enter Discover Access Mode link. Demo portal same page link, skip to main content.
And the page has now been restructured with a simpler user interface. At the top of every page, we will find the skip to main content, where the focus will always land, the skip to actions, and a switch to turn usability mode off.
Same page link, skip to main content. Same page link, skip to actions. Link, turn off Discover Access Mode.
We can now use the screen reader key commands to navigate around the page. So using heading commands,
Demo portal site pages home heading level 1. Navigation heading level 2. Welcome to the Discover Access for SharePoint demo site heading level 1. Demo portal same page link, skip to main content.
So we have seen how easy it is to turn the usability mode on and off for each individual user. Also, we have seen how Discover 508 creates a common look, feel, and consistent behavior for each web page across the website. Screen reader users are now able to easily and quickly find content and interact with all SharePoint functions, allowing them to become a valuable asset to the team. To learn more about working with the Discover 508 Usability Mode, refer to your user guide, and then join me in the next instructional video to learn about screen reader keyboard navigation.